everybody, it's Mike Freer here with On-Call Compliance Solutions, and I'm back with another compliance tip of the week. This week we're talking about how to get compliant with DFARS 252.204-7012, NIST SP 800-171, and CMMC if you're a manufacturer in the defense industry. So if you manufacture anything, this video is for you. So hey, if you're a defense contractor who's feeling overwhelmed, tired, and alone, trying to understand all of this DFARS, NIST SP 800-171, and CMMC compliance stuff on top of an already colossal workload, if you feel like you're drowning in the hundreds of pages of confusing legalese and hard to understand techno mumbo jumbo, or if you just need help connecting the dots for the leaders in your company between getting compliant and how it can lead to growth and higher profits, I've got great news for you. You found your home here at On-Call Computer Solutions, where we can help you transform into your company's on-call compliance hero. Let's get into it. So today we're going to talk a little bit about a specialized area, okay? So if you're a manufacturer in the defense industry, you've definitely got some special challenges versus your typical ordinary, defense contractor who maybe just has a simple office. First off, you have to do all the normal stuff to get compliant with DFARS laws and NIST SP 800-171. That's permission to play. Then you have a few realities to deal with. Here's an example. Many manufacturing facilities do not have adequate security cameras in place to properly monitor the physical premise, okay? We always recommend having a camera at all entries, exits, IT rooms, and any other security sensitive area. And for manufacturers, you may have more security sensitive areas than the average company. With manufacturing, this can be more of a challenge than typical ordinary office space. So then you have these job traveler packets, all right? And then again, some companies are starting to go totally electronic, but many more have yet to make the switch or can't. That means there's an excessive amount of paper CUI and it's all over the building. Decisions will have to be made on how to secure access to all that paper. Do we need a clean desk policy? More paper means disposing of it when it's done as well. So we can't just throw this stuff away in a trash can or send it off with the shredding company. You just gave somebody your CUI and it hasn't been destroyed yet. Of course, you can't just throw it away. Ultimately there are special activities that have to be done to make sure that's disposed of properly. So again, you got to make sure you keep custody of all this paper. Then there's the challenge of older manufacturing equipment with embedded computers, which we typically find in most manufacturing environments, all right? Great example, $500,000 lathing machine. It's got like a Windows 98 embedded computer. You can't get that thing out. It's like 500 grand to replace the machine. Yuck. All right. Many times that equipment is sold, it can't be upgraded or properly secured. So what do we do there? In some cases, that equipment may even be hundreds of thousands of dollars or millions to replace just to fix a PC's operating system that you can't properly secure. It's a heck of a problem you're facing. Another challenge that is unique to manufacturing is what do you do with scrap or parts that failed quality testing? Because you can't just throw them away, right? Got CUI hanging out in the dumpster where homeless people think it's cool to hang out. Or, just generally speaking, anybody can walk up and get access to it. Uh-oh. Well, so again, you can't just sort of throw away scrap. There's special stuff you have to do with that because, again, that parts design is non-public. It's CUI, and in a lot of cases, it's even ITAR restricted, which is really serious. And of course, then there are always the subcontractors. Virtually everyone in manufacturing winds up with tons of subcontractors to do the one-off and occasional work that is not efficient to do in-house. What about flowing down compliance to them? What about the facilities where you've constantly got employees who are tailgating in the door or leaving doors open for smoke breaks, creating havoc when trying to follow NIST controls for identifying individuals and tracking back their actions to them, or just honestly securing the physical premise properly like you should be? Who knows who's coming in those doors? Well, here's the good news. There are answers to all of these challenges, and if you are a manufacturer in the defense space or one that has had these DFARS requirements sent to you in a contract, you too will run into these kinds of challenges getting compliant. The good news is we can help. We've helped many defense manufacturing companies both under DFARS and NIST compliance and walked with them through their initial rollouts and what it takes to get compliant and stay compliant, and we can help you too and your unique challenges as a manufacturer, because let's be honest, every manufacturing facility is different. And hey, at On-Call, We take defense contractors, especially manufacturers who have had this DFARS, NIST, CMMC, ITAR, and EAR information security compliance stuff dropped in their laps like a seagull on a sunny day, and we teach you how to level up and be a proper on-call compliance hero for your company, eliminating gaps, gray areas, and solving these tough-to-follow challenges for manufacturers, all while getting it solved and showing you how to leverage compliance as your secret weapon to landing more defense work with higher profit margins. Now that's what becoming an on-call compliance hero can do for you. If you're looking for more information on getting compliant, check out our website at cmmccompliancesecrets.com. That's cmmccompliancesecrets.com, or check out the bio below for links to get help right now. If you love the content we're putting out here for you, help us out with a big thumbs up on that like button, or even better, smash the subscribe button to get the latest compliance content as soon as our compliance nerds roll it out. Until the next compliance tip, my friends, stay safe and secure out there. Hit us in the comments below to let us know what you'd like to know more about when it comes to information security and compliance, and I'll see you on the next one.